And this is what is called entrepreneurship. I urge you, the young people, to try and discover your talent. Discover something that you have passion for to do. Because whatever you do not have passion for can never prosper. And you can never achieve result on them. I think this is what Ugumba Jomoso is promoting because of Ugumba Enterprise Challenge. And young men and women might find their talent and their passion in life and grow by it. The God who created men and women hadn't made any mistake, and my God will never make a mistake. Neither can God create a material that is wasteful and unimportant. So everyone on earth is important. The problem is people have not discovered their passion and their talent. And such forum enables you to discover your passion and talent in life. In Nigeria, where we are called a nation, poor nation, is because our youths are not groomed to understand their passion and vision in life. When you have passion for a thing, it will grow. And when you have vision for a thing, it will do well. And this is why you see some people succeed in some business and others are in the same business but they cannot succeed because they don't have the passion. If you force yourself to go act in movie when it is not your passion, you find out you waste all the years of your life not making progress because there's no passion in what you're doing. And if you don't have the vision, it is. And what I mean by passion, passion means extraordinary love for what you do. Our nation today, most of the leaders that lead our country do not have passion for this country, do not have love for the country, but they have love for what they can get from the country and not the love for the nation. Dubai is built out of passion and love. Leaders who have passion for their place make sure they grow. And when you have passion and love for something, you don't count the negativity of those things. You just see the purity of it and why you must continue despite the odds. This is why husbands that have passion and love for their wife have a good marriage. Because you no longer see her shortcomings, and you don't see her problems, but you see that which makes you ab initio, not ipso facto, fall in love. You must fall in love with what you do. Young men, do not to be too proud of becoming a barber. If your passion is for cutting hair, go, you will excel in cutting people's hair. If your passion is in sweeping, you will make it through sweeping. But the problem with young men nowadays is that they want to behave in such a manner like someone else who have excelled in his own field without minding what is their passion because they are ashamed of the talent God has given to them. I've seen people who became billionaires through shoe shining. I've seen people who become billionaires through restaurants. Some of the things that we call things of laughter has become things of importance. So ask yourself, and how do you discover a passion and love for what you do? Is the things that you do with ease. When you do something with ease, that is your passion. If you can sell oranges with ease and you don't find it difficult, that's your passion. And that's why wise men, white men and wise white men check the passion of their kids when they are very young. By the essence of buying toys for children is to see what are they really attracted to, what are they in love with. Some are in love with building, some are in love with cars, some are in love with many things, singing, that's their talent. But you know, we killed so many of our young men in the days past because we are playing football. I'm sure if my father had allowed me to express my talent, maybe I would have been one of the footballers. But during our time, football was a job of a useless child. And at our time, singing was an abomination until we saw Michael Jackson becoming a billionaire out of singing. And we see Messi's leg costing £1 million an hour. Parents, let's also encourage our children in the cause of entrepreneurship so we can build a great nation of our collective dreams and aspirations. Nigeria is waiting for you, the young ones. No longer judge us because we have failed in our generation. You must never fail in your generation. So think of what you can do to make this country a better place. Once more, Ugumba, I salute you.
Round of applause, please. A round of applause with a standing ovation as P+ Battery.